Today I will be unboxing the brand new Beats Solo Pro. Hi guys, welcome to my official YouTube channel. So today I will be unboxing the brand new Beats Solo Pro. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the front cover and here it gives all the information. Beats Pure Adaptive Noise Cancelling, which will cancel all the background noises, which is really useful. And here transparency listening mode, battery up to 22 hours, fast forward 10-minute charge, 3 hours play, on-ear controls for music and calls, built-in microphones for voice. And here is the back cover. So here it says Solo Pro. So let's get started. I'm gonna remove this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's take this. Okay, I brought this up. Okay, so it's coming down here, you can see. So satisfying. And here, the Beats logo. Then I'll take this. Wow. Here there are the accessories. Here is its charger and here is a key tag. Here are the stickers. Okay, I'll take this out. Here it says Beats. Okay, I'll put it to the case here. I'm so excited, guys. Okay, I put it here. Oh, we are going to open this. Wow, it's so beautiful. Yeah. Gonna open it up. Wow, see? Here they say R for right side and L for left side. You should put it. Wow. It's so comfortable. Even though I didn't put the noise cancelling, I can't hear. Here it's so beautiful. The light here is changed to red color when you are charging it, and it will turn into the same color when it's full charged. And here is the mode button. Here in the right side you have these buttons when the song is playing. If you click here up, its volume is high, and when you click here down, the volume is low. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Click here to subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much.